bulb. A battery-operated light bulb that you can install without an electrician. Just stick up the base, slide in the bulb, and you've got light. It's that easy. There's no wires and no complicated installation. Now you can have light anytime, any place, anywhere. Just stick it up, pull the cord, and you've got light. The stick-up bulb is safe for kids, and it easily puts light within their reach. Unlike glass bulbs that break, the stick-up bulb is shatterproof if you drop it. There's no dangerous wires to mess with either. The stick-up bulb installs instantly, stays cool to the touch, and has a 10-year guarantee. Around the house or on the car, don't use hot clip-on lights when you can use the stick-up bulb. The stick-up bulb is perfect for attics and basements. Have a closet that needs illumination? Use the stick-up bulb. Just stick it up, and you've got light. Use one anywhere you need extra light. Nothing's easier to fit underneath the kitchen counter, and they're perfect inside for a tool shed if you don't have power. Use them outside as a wireless light for decks or patios, and they're great for camping and RVs. If the power goes out, you can depend on the power of the stick-up bulb. And each one slides out to become a handy lantern. This electrician charged $180 to install one.